So welcome back everyone, Mike here. It is Thursday evening and I just got home from work, barely. I mean, it is a nasty day here in western Pennsylvania. I just checked the radar and it appears that everything east of here and north of here is getting some real heavy snow. All we've had today is lots and lots of freezing rain kind of mixing back and forth. But there's limbs down everywhere. I mean, our power's out right now. It's been out for a couple hours. We'll see how this all goes. But there's not a whole lot we can do outside this evening. And I felt like doing a video, and there's three things that I want to cover today. Number one, what is the weather like in your part of the world? Comment below. I'm just curious, because it is sloppy mess here. I mean, nasty. That's the first thing. Number two is in the last video, Melissa and I did a little video splitting some firewood by hand, just using the Fisker's axe, because you get in that groove sometimes. You know, you get a log splitter, and that's all you ever use. But there's a lot of times you have firewood. It's pretty easy to split by hand. And that's what we did the other night, just to kind of show it can be a lot faster with the right type of wood. Now we were using cherry, some maple, red oak, you know, small diameter stuff, 8 inches and smaller, nice and straight, split real fast, real easy, faster than what we could do with a log splitter. So I asked in that video, I was like, comment below, you know, and enter your guess of how long you thought it would take to split that firewood. And it was just one Ranger, you know, one Ranger full of firewood. We split it all, loaded it back up, and there were comments. I was reading through them. There's a couple hundred of them. Some people are like 40 minutes, and I'm like, do I move that slow, you know? And other people are like 6 minutes, and I'm like, you think I move that fast? But anyway, the answer was 13 minutes and 24 seconds. And like I said in that video, that equals about 1/6 of a cord, which is half of a face cord. So that's the answer. 13 minutes, 24 seconds, not bad at all. And anyway, that's number two. And number three, actually there's 4 things I want to cover in this video. Number 3 is I am in the market for a sawmill. I don't know how soon. I might even wait till spring, but I've been accumulating saw logs. And anybody out there that has a sawmill, you know, what do you recommend? I'm kind of sold on a band mill. I've been looking at different models. I'm not sure which one I'm going to buy. But if anybody watching this video that has a sawmill or pretty familiar with them, let me know. Now keep in mind, I am not looking for a big production machine or anything like that. I will probably only saw, I'm just guessing, 4,000 or 5,000 board feet in an entire year. So I don't want to spend a whole bunch of money, and I don't need a real big, you know, all hydraulic machine or anything like that. But if anyone has a mill, please comment below. Let me know what you think of yours, or if any recommendations, I'll be happy to hear them. So that's number 3, looking for a sawmill. Number 4, Melissa and I were at the Paul Bunyan show, I guess back in early October. And I got some footage from that I never shared, just some forestry equipment, log splitters, all that kind of stuff. So I will put that in at the end of this video here, and you can kind of check some of that stuff out. Like I said, there's not a whole lot you can do out here today. There's really nothing you can do out here today. I'm just looking for it to freeze up. I mean, I would like, you know, I would like to get 20 degrees and stay that way till the end of March and then warm up at this point, because it is such a sloppy mess out there. There's really nothing you can do. But anyway, those are the 4 things this video is about. I'm going to show you that footage from the Paul Bunyan show, which I should have done about a month and a half ago. Never did. Some pretty cool stuff. Comment below. What's the weather like in your area? Can recommend a sawmill, let me know. And I'm going to go back through the comments in that other video and see who was closest. I know there's a couple people right in the 13-minute mark, but we're at 13 minutes, 24 seconds. Melissa, that's what we need right there.
I don't think so.
You could work in the yard with that. warm one.
It heated up fast. Nothing like the smell of wood and fried food.
This processor here has got its own loader on it, which is pretty neat. So anyway, that's it for today's video. So please comment below. Let me know what the weather's like in your part of the world. And also, if you can recommend a sawmill, let me know in the comments and why you recommend that sawmill. And if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.